Hi, I'm here to talk to you about Stock's blockchain prediction markets platform. First, I'll explain what is Stocks. It's the easiest way to join the cryptocurrency markets fast and easily. Stocks allows you to make a prediction about almost anything, from sports, politics, and cultural events to even the weather. You don't have to deposit any funds, but you can make gains in STX tokens. Stocks is a fun way to enter the cryptocurrency market and make predictions based on your own intuition or by harnessing the wisdom of the crowd to base your prediction. First, here's how the platform looks. After you log in, the first thing you see are the boxes of questions. All you have to do now is select a question to place your prediction. Now, set your wager amount. Wagered 100 demo STX. And here's your prediction with the amount you wagered. The checkbox on the right corner means you've selected and made a prediction on this question and set your wager. You predicted Barcelona will beat Real Madrid FC and wagered 100 STX. Want to win real STX tokens? Register today! Signing up is easy and takes less than a minute. You can start predicting with Stocks in mere minutes.